Basic Hajj terminology. Ihram, the sacrosanct state that a pilgrim must enter into in order to perform Hajj or Umrah. Miqat, the physical and temporal boundaries that one must enter into in order to validly take the Ihram state before crossing in order to perform Hajj or Umrah. Fidya, the penalty paid for violating a lesser condition of Ihram. Fard, a critical element of Hajj without which the Hajj is not valid. Rukn, a synonym for Fard. Wajib, a major element of Hajj which, if omitted or performed incorrectly, requires the fulfillment of a penalty in order to rectify the mistake. Hadi, a ritual animal sacrifice made in Hajj. Dam, the penalty paid for omitting a wajib element of Hajj or Umrah or for a major error committed in Hajj or Umrah. Typically, a dam is fulfilled by offering another hadi. Thus, every dam can be a hadi, but not every hadi can be a dam. Tawaf, circumambulation around the Hallowed Kaaba, followed by 2 rak'ahs of prayer. Qudum, the first tawaf of Hajj upon entering Makkah Mukarramah. Ifada, the fard tawaf of Hajj. Wada', the farewell tawaf of Hajj made before leaving the sacred city. Sa'i, going back and forth between Safa and Marwa. Haram, the sacred boundary which surrounds Makkah Mukarramah. Masjid al-Haram, the endowment structure and boundary around the hallowed Kaaba. Mataf, the ground on which tawaf is performed. Mas'a, the ground on which sa'i is performed. Zamzam, the sacred well of the Masjid al-Haram. Mansak, or its plural manasik. A mansak is a rite of Hajj, in particular those which occur outside of the Masjid al-Haram on the 8th through the 13th of Dhul Hijjah, going from Mina to Arafat, then to Muzdalifah, then back to Mina. Jamra, plural jamarat, the 3 ritual boundaries marked by walls within a large open-air concrete superstructure where a person, meteorically and metaphorically, stones shaitan. Aqaba, the name of the Jamra which is closest to Makkah Mukarramah from amongst the 3. Tarwiyah, the customary name of the 8th of Dhul Hijjah. The day of Arafat, the customary name of the 9th of Dhul Hijjah. Nahr, the day of immolation, the customary name of the 10th day of Dhul Hijjah. Those on Hajj do not celebrate Eid al-Adha and refer to the 10th by this name, Yawm al-Nahr. Days 1 through 3 of Mina, the customary names for the 11th, 12th, and 13th of Dhul Hijjah. Halq, the ritual shaving of the head, which symbolizes a fulfillment of major portions of Hajj or all of Umrah, and release from most of the restrictions of Ihram in Hajj and all of them in Umrah, respectively. Halq is only done by men. Qasr, the ritual shorting of each hair on one's head by at least an inch, which is performed by women and suboptimally by men. Barakallahu fikum, Allah Ta'ala accept your Hajj.